Yo, welcome to For Your Influence. Today I'm taking you to a place in Cape Town where the locals eat. This place is built over what used to be the Wellington Food Growers Market. It's located in Cape Town city centre in Long Market Street. It's open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now, the food here is served canteen style, so this is going to be fun. Let's go check it out. Eastern Food Bazaar. We're in the heart of Cape Town CBD. Colourful, vibrant, you walk in and you instantly smell the diversity. I decided to go with a masala dosa. The cooks were super friendly, the vibe was great. They love what they do over here, man. Let's not waste time. Let's go eat. As you can see, look at that. Masala dosa. Smells amazing. Let's taste. These plastic forks and spoons are quite flimsy. So what you see in there, some potato, lentils, carrots, herbs. Let's try it. Let's try it without the sauce first. Oh man. You instantly get that. Let me grab another bite. The dosa itself is perfect. The dosa is made with a rice batter inside of it. There's these onions, there's lentils, there's herbs, there's spring onion, tomato. And these lentils, they cooked al dente, meaning they still have a little bit of bite to them. So they're not like mushy. There's a nice chew because the dosa itself is soft. The mashed potato, it's also soft. So you need some kind of a texture in it. And this, that spring onions, the lentils that's cooked al dente, that brings a nice texture. It's not overly flavored. I think it doesn't have a lot of spice to it. It doesn't have a lot of flavors. It's quite subtle, but it's really good. Really, really good. Let's taste it with the sauce on it. Let me taste the sauce on its own. There's a little bit of heat to it. You know what this sauce reminds me of? You know when you cook a beef stew at home and you have some sauce left over? It's that flavorful. Like the flavor is in here. It tastes tomatoey, meaty, spicy. There's a little bit of heat to it. It's not too much. It's perfect balance of heat. Let's taste the sauce with the dosa. That sauce just takes it to the next level. It just takes it to the next level. I need to stop myself because I still have more to taste. But I don't want to stop eating this. It's really that good. And I know it's a bit cliche. I don't want to stop. I know it's a bit cliche to constantly say that these things taste good, but this is really good. Wow, that's a good dosa. That's a good dosa. So you can take some of the sauce like that. Look at that. That's the perfect bite right there.
Man, what a good dosa.
This is definitely a culinary landmark, and I get it. There's a lot of places to eat at in Cape Town. Some are in the top 50 in the world. Here, it's different. You might have to wait a little bit longer for your food, but it's full of life. You get to watch as they prepare your food. It's buzzing. It can get really loud, but that is what a food market is about, right? It offers different types of cuisines from all over the world. Man, this place is special, and I love the vibe. Anyway, let's get into this shawarma, one of my favorites.
Over here we have the shawarma. It's made with roti. Comes with chips. Look at that. The food here, the portions are so big for the prices, and it comes with chips. You get some fries with that. Get fries with your shawarma. These portions are humongous. These portions are big, man. These portions are really, really big. Let's taste the fries. Now it is my fault it went a little bit cold, but it still has a little bit of crisp to it. The spice is really flavorful. Tastes good, but obviously it went a little bit cold because I took a bit long to get to the fries. But let's taste the shawarma. Let's taste the chicken first. I need to cut this. I like what's going on here. The flavors are not too poignant. You know, it's not too strong. Very subtle flavors. They don't do too much. I like that. Nothing is too spicy. Nothing is too salty. There's quite a lovely balance. It's a beautiful balance that's going on here. Fries taste wonderful. Let me take a piece here and let's get into this shawarma. Look at that. Let's have a bite. Now I took a shawarma with everything. Mine is chicken, tomatoes, cucumbers, the yogurt dressing that they have. There's lettuce on here. Everything that they offer, I put it on here. As you would have seen before, that everything is on here. I wanted the full dish. I wanted to experience the full dish. Oh, now the heat is coming. There's a little bit of heat coming now. I'm enjoying that. Let's grab another bite. If I come here, this would be something I order. I mean, this is a place where a lot of the local people eat here. So it's quite affordable, and it's always been affordable. You'll always find this place packed. Everybody eats here. Tourists, locals, everybody. It's affordable. And it gives me this market feel. There's a market feel to it. So you have all these stalls next to each other. You've got shawarmas there, you've got omelets, you've got tikkahs, you've got whatever size you would like, you've got dosas, you've got all these things, and at the end there you have ice cream. So the variety of things that you can get here, it's quite amazing. It's a beautiful place. I think this place is super cool because there's so many options, it's affordable, and it kind of gives you what Cape Town is about. If you want to know what Cape Town is about and what people enjoy eating in Cape Town, this is a place you should visit. This is definitely a place that will give you a little bit of insight of what Cape Town is about. This is amazing. This is definitely something I would enjoy, something I would order if I'm coming to Cape Town. This would be it. Shawarma.
I can't tell you how much I enjoyed the shawarma when I visit this place. This is the main star of the show, purely because it's a local dish and one I would recommend everyone should try when they come here. Just don't try and eat this thing by yourself unless you can really get busy. They assemble it in front of you, traditional style. Let's check it out. I mean, look at that. Does that not look delicious? Come on, man.
Hi. This is the bunny chow. Here's something interesting about the bunny chow. It originated in Durban. Now this was something that was served to the sugar plantation workers in Durban. These guys were working there, and there were probably a lot of them, and somebody decided, you know what, we don't have enough plates, or we don't have plates. We're just going to cut the top of the bread, make a hole inside of it, and fill it, and people carried it and ate it like that on their lunch. Now, today it's something that we celebrate. Today it's something that's cool to eat. I don't know how cool it was for those guys to be served something like this in your hand that's kind of like serves as your bowl with your meat and your food inside of it. But that's where it originated from. Durban, the sugar plantain workers, they were served like this. It kind of makes me feel a little bit sad to think that this is how people were served. But yeah, now it has become part of our history, I would say, part of our culture. And this is what we eat now. This is what we celebrate. This is the bunny chow. This is the lamb bunny chow. Let's taste. I'm gonna start with the top. Just get the bread, the sauce. Instantly, star anise. There's this herb. Well, not a herb, it's a seed. Looks like a star. Instantly, I get hit with that star anise aroma. I love coleslaw. I love this coleslaw. I think this coleslaw pretty much serves as a palate cleanser. The dish is quite rich. It's my first time eating a bunny chow. Think about that. I've been living in South Africa for so many years, and it's my first time having a bunny chow. Crazy, right? Super crazy. I don't even know where to start. But let me cut the piece. I don't even know this. Shouldn't be eating a bunny chow with a fork. That's the potato. Oh man, the aroma. Like the flavors, like it's so super strong. Flavors are so strong. I'm gonna take a piece of this meat out. And I'm going to, you know what this would be perfect for? If there's two of you, because it's quite a big portion. If there's two of you, this would be filling. It would really fill two people. It's a portion for two people. It's like half a loaf of bread. Let's taste the lamb. Is this mutton or lamb? Let's taste the lamb. Look at that. Soft. A little bit on the drier side, but I understand because most of the flavor is in the sauce. But I initially thought it would be drier than what it is. It's not that dry. You can tolerate it. Does this taste good? It tastes really good. The flavors. Flavors is great in this thing. And the bread the bread becomes soft, mushy. Not too mushy. It still keeps its crisp on the outside. but the bread becomes soft inside because it's soaking up all their juices. I'm really enjoying it. Wow, man. This food is good. It's worth your time, it's worth your visit, it's worth a stop. Come to Eastern Bazaar. Let me get to this bani chow. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll catch you on the flip side.